Hi everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. So, today your Canon printer is throwing up errors E03, E04 and E05 and you don't know what's going wrong with the printer. Well, the E3 error comes up when there are jam papers stuck inside the printer, while the E4 and E5 arise due to incorrect installation of ink cartridges. But don't worry, in today's video, I've covered how to fix the error with different methods. For one-on-one assistance, call us at the numbers displayed. If you're sticking with the video, let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Check for jam papers. Ensure your printer is turned on. Then, open the paper output cover. Take a good look inside and gently pull out any jam paper you see. After that, close the paper output cover and also remove any paper sitting in the front tray. Now, go ahead and close the front cover completely. Next, move around to the back of the printer. On the right side of the transport unit, you'll see a latch. Just push it to the left to unlock it. Carefully lift up the printer and look inside for any paper that might be still stuck. If you find any, gently pull it out, and once everything looks clear, close the transport unit. Alright, now open the paper output cover one more time. Turn off your printer. Wait a few seconds and then turn your printer back on. At last, take one last look inside the front area of the printer to see if any small paper pieces come out. If clearing the jam papers fixes the E3 error, please subscribe to our channel. If you're facing more problems with the Canon printer, let us know in the comments section. Method 2. Reinstall the ink cartridges. Access your ink cartridge section by opening the front door of your printer. Now, press down on the ink cartridges and take them out one by one. After that, put back the cartridges and ensure that they're installed properly. Close the front door and your printing issue should be resolved. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.